Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make friend on Discord. So first of all, open your Discord and you need to first join a popular server. Now I'm joined popular server. Click on to open. This server showing here to member more. Click on to all member. Look at the right side showing here to all member in this group. So click on to profile. Then showing here to add friend option. Click on to add friend. And here you can easily connect more friend. So I hope you can follow my process, then you can easily grow your friend. So that's how you can easily make friend on Discord.